Hello and welcome to another Fat Guy Review. This time we're reviewing Stitch Fix. This is the summer edition because I've been getting a lot of sweaters and a lot of stuff that's very warm, and it's very hot now. Here, especially in the Pacific Northwest. I don't know if you knew this, we hit 117. That's fun. If you don't know what Stitch Fix is, it's a subscription box that you can get either monthly, bi-monthly, whenever you want. They send you a box full of goodies, you try them on, you keep and pay for the ones that you like, you send back the ones that you don't, and if you buy them all, you get a discount. So that's pretty cool. If you use my link in the description, you'll save $25 off your first order, which is basically trying it for free and $5. So if you're clicking on this video, you're somewhat interested in it. So you might as well try it for free. Click the link. You don't have to buy anything. You don't lose any money. Why do I even have to unbox this now? That's the whole sell. Just go, if you'd want to try it, try it. Use the link. You might like it. You came here for the unboxing, fine. We'll unbox it. I'm Nick, by the way. I do this from a fat guy's perspective. There's a lot of skinny people out there unboxing these and very few chubbies. And so I wanted to be your chubby. First thing is a green Henley, that's what they're called. Henley shirt. The blue one I got in my last box is like my favorite shirt now. And this is, I think, the same brand and just a different color. And green makes my eyes pop. Can you see? Can you see? You don't have to believe it. My wife said it. Whatever. A gray V-neck. Basic, no pattern, no Superman sign on it. That's fine. Just a gray V-neck. Classic. This is a very summer shirt. It's a white short sleeve button down. And it looks like it's got they're like little leaves on them. That's actually kind of a shirt I've been looking for, so hopefully it fits. Here's where the summer part comes in. Shorts. They feel like swim trunks, but I don't think that they are. But they got like the mesh pockets. I think most people probably walk around in the heat in these and they feel good, but I would go swimming in these. They have the little tie, but they're classy, so I'd go classy swimming. I don't know how classy you can be wearing a t-shirt while you swim, but it'll just look like I came from a very important business meeting and accidentally fell in the water. But I'll be protected. Now these are the kind of shorts I can get on board with. Just comfy shorts. Oh, these are soft. Oh. These are just like basic shorts. They're huge. Or I'm huge. Or both. That's all I got this month. Let's try everything on and see how it fits. So here's the white button down. It's a little high on my collar a little bit, but you know what? It's actually really comfy. It's a very soft, very light shirt. Like it feels like I could go out in the heat and I would be fine. Not bad. I also have the swim trunks / shorts on as well. Not bad. They do feel kind of classic like shorts, but no one will know that I can breathe. Here are the blue shorts. And yeah, these are just comfy, 100% cotton, wear around the house, don't go outside, but be comfy all day pants. Here's the gray V-neck. It fits really nicely. It's like the material is sexy. I don't know what it is, but it does kind of cling a little bit. Like you kind of see a little bit, but it might be worth it just because it's very nice, very comfy. Which is why I have a bunch of shirts I never wear, because they feel great, just not on me. And finally, here is the green Henley, which it feels exactly like the other one, so love it. Definitely keeping it. The blue one is my favorite shirt ever. And now this will be in the repertoire. And again, overall, this was a super successful Stitch Fix box. Other than the expensive, comfy shorts, I think everything will be put to use. The shirt's great, the V-neck's great, this is great. The other shorts were super cool if I ever want to go out and walk around and not get swamp ass. That's probably good for that. I don't know. They're very anti-swamp ass shorts. That's how you should sell it. Somebody call the company No Swamp Ass. By Even Tide. There's an even tide, but just not in your pants. Even tide. Giving it away. Giving it away. Again, if you want to try it for free, click the link in the box. You get $25 in credit. I get $25 in credit. It's very helpful to both of us. While you're here, why don't you hit like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Another Fat Guy Review in the Fat Can.